Hello, language and life-loving friends, and welcome to Creative Teaching and Learning Ideas with Patrick and Gable. I'm Patrick, and this fine furry gentleman is Master Gable. Today's short video is on the 9-dot puzzle for creative problem solving. This puzzle can be used for a warm-up before class, or even before a department meeting to kind of break up the tediousness of it all. Okay, so first, as always, we'll do a quick mind-body breath exercise. And to continue with the dot motif, let's do the full moon exercise. So go up with me and hold the full moon and inhale and hold the full moon tight. And then as you come down, release your breath. Again, go up and hold the full moon tight. Ooh, nice inhale. And then release. And last one, hold the full moon tight and release. Okay, let's begin. Okay, are you ready? First, we'll look at the idiom, think outside the box. Then, I'll invite you to solve the 9-dot puzzle using just 4 lines. And then we'll raise the bar a little higher, and I'll ask you to solve the puzzle again using just 3 lines. Remember, think outside the box as you attempt these puzzles. What does think outside the box mean? I'm hearing voices coming in all the way from India, Japan, Turkey, Spain. Whoa, but they're all saying the same thing, which is...
to think in an original or creative way, or not being bound by traditional ways of thinking.
You got it. To think outside the box is exactly that. To think in an original or creative way, or to think by not being bound by traditional ways of thinking. Okay? And here are 2 example sentences for you. Hector is a very popular student because he is always thinking outside the box. His ideas are fresh and unique. Another example, and this is actually true, some companies use the 9-dot exercise to see if their employees can think outside the box. Okay, so let's try the 9-dot puzzle. What you'll need to do is connect all the dots by making just 4 lines. You're not allowed to lift your pen or pencil off the paper, nor can you retrace along previously drawn lines. Okay? So each line must start where the last one finishes. Okay? Good luck. Here is the diagram that you can copy. While you do this, our wonderful Master Gable will patiently be inspiring you with this photo. You can pause the video until you find the answer. Okay? But remember, think outside the box. Okay, how did you do? If you didn't think outside the box, your lines probably looked like this, right? As you can see, these didn't quite work because, well, they're not all connected, okay? That is, and what a lot of people do, including myself, the first time I tried this, is you create your own limits or your own box, and that seems impossible, like you can't do it. Many people create a square at first and then work within that. They think that they must work within those square confines, and that limited thinking or self-imposed square is where all the trouble starts. However, if you thought outside the box, here is what you did, right? So that's the correct answer, and now let me show you in real time as I draw it for you. Okay. So, first we'll make our 9 dots, and then I'll show you how to do the 4 lines in action. So we start here, and we go up here, and then we go over, again thinking outside the box, and then down and up. And there is our puzzle solved. Okay, so again, you go up 1, and then over for 2, and then down for 3, and up for 4. Okay, there you go. Okay, challenge time. Level up. Now we're just going to do it with 3 lines, okay? Next, try this with just the 3 lines, and again, you'll need to connect all the dots by making just 3 lines, and you can't lift your pen or pencil off the paper, nor can you retrace a previously drawn line, okay? And then each line must start where the last one leaves off, okay? I'll give you a few minutes, and again, you can use this wonderful picture of Master Gable to inspire you as you draw and solve the puzzle. So, how did you do? If you got caught again with a self-imposed square, your drawings probably looked like these, right? But if you found the magic of going outside the lines, yours most likely looked like this. Yay! And now, let me show you again in real time how it was done. It's very easy. All right, so we have our 9 dots. This one would appear harder because you're only using 3 lines, but it's actually easier. Because here's how you do it. You draw it through the top, and again you go outside the box. You go through the center, and then you take it to the end. So 1, 2, 3. As easy as pie. So as you can see, this only works once you think outside the box and pause from making your own limits or that self-imposed box, okay? You can use this as a class warm-up, like I mentioned before, or you can even create a procedural essay for your students, and they can kind of go through the process of how they thought it through and then write about it. And even you can take this to meetings and have everybody do it at your departmental meetings to break up the tediousness of those, okay? You can even do it on the road if you're taking a road trip. Just if you're driving, don't do it. But everybody in the passenger side of the car can try this as well, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Have a most wonderful day, dear friends, and enjoy a dot-connected day.